Page 129, pedal study. 6/8 time, so an eighth note gets a count, 6 beats in a measure, blah blah blah, okay. No sharps or flats in it, we're in the key of C major, okay. The pedal really isn't so much the study piece as far as I'm concerned, it's the fact that they want you to use your left hand only. Well, if you'll notice, there's nothing written in this top staff, so that kind of tells you. Let's not get confused here. There's no rule that says that the bottom staff has to be left hand and the top staff has to be right hand. If you find it easier to be splitting this up and playing it, you pick which hand plays what. I do that all the time. For instance, in this piece, I could play just the first note in each measure with the left hand and the other notes with the right hand. It doesn't matter there's nothing in the top staff, otherwise, other than I don't need to worry about it. So I could do this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I could use two hands to play this. There's nothing tells me I can't do that. It's legal. You can do it. However, they're telling you they want the left hand alone. So that's part of the study. So rest your right hand, give it a break. It's worked too hard already. So it's all of this. You're going to lift up. You're going an octave here. And this is actually quite common in piano, where you'll have a note down here with a little finger, and you'll use the little finger or the fourth finger to play an octave above. Just lift up and move. Now, I keep using fifth finger. You don't have to. If it's easier for you, use fourth finger. Because here, you're not moving as far. You can do that. Maybe one time you play it, use fifth finger, and another time you play it, use fourth finger. It's a good exercise. Try that and see. And then the last line, you're here, and then quarter, treble clef, up here. Take it as slow. Andante is a nice leisurely pace. Not necessarily slow, it's just a leisurely pace. That's the feel of it, not the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Now if that feels slow to you, then speed it up a little bit. 1, 2. Here I think you want to feel the 6 beats here, so that slows it down quite a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's fine too. Dynamic wise, they want you to, on each measure, they want you moderately loud and come down to moderately soft. So 1, 2, little, these are softer. Each time moderately loud. It helps to reinforce the first beat of the measure, which is the strongest natural accent, and it also helps to make sure that note sounds for the rest of the measure as you're playing these other notes. You want that note sounding out. It's the bass note, it's solid, it supports everything. You have accents there on the last line. Here's accent, play a little louder, and you crescendo up to loud with an accent. Makes it very loud actually. Accent, those are like very loud type thing. Claps the wrist each time, don't play with a stiff wrist, relax. So the pedal, you're here, 1, 2. Watch out. Just because you have the pedal holding that first note down doesn't mean you can immediately get off it with the hand. You still want to feel this music with the fingers. That's one of the reasons we learn to play a piece without the pedal first, so the fingers are doing what they need to do. Hold that down, lift up only when you need to move. Don't. And then, because you're going to do the pedal, no. Hold it down even with the pedal. So add the dynamics to that and you're... It's up to you. experiment with this. Try and hold that down as best you can. And the same with the chord. Hold it down till right before you need to move. Don't, just because the pedal's going to hold the sound going doesn't mean you can lift the hand up. That's a bad habit that some people get into. I strongly suggest you avoid it if you can. It will cause problems in some pieces. Let's play this together very slowly. I don't know we need to, but let's try it. I'll give us 6 counts. I won't do any dynamics, just the notes and the rhythms and the pedaling and the accents. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.